This is a label design file from Avery DesignPro. The software is retired, but Avery offers a newer online tool that might import your old designs. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's find the solution. Keep watching until the end. This solution is entirely reliant on one powerful ZDP file inspection tool that you can use for hundreds of other file issues and formats. A ZDP file is associated with Avery DesignPro, a software used for creating and printing labels, cards, and other personalized items. The ZDP file contains guide information, templates, or design elements specific to Avery products, assisting users in creating accurate and professional-looking designs. ZDP files are proprietary to Avery DesignPro and contain structured data that the software interprets to provide design assistance. This may include predefined layouts, margin settings, and other parameters tailored to specific Avery label or card formats, ensuring proper alignment and print quality. The ZDP format has primary linkage to the Avery DesignPro application by Avery Products Corporation. Windows cannot fully extract this archive type, requiring dedicated extraction software. Windows offers minimal visibility into layout structure, so proper viewing and editing rely on specialized applications. To bypass the error, right-click the ZDP file and choose Open With. Test Avery DesignPro if it is an option. If it's missing, select any other program. Some niche tools handle the format better. If you still can't open the ZDP file, it's okay. A specialized format like ZDP demands specialized preparation. Let's ensure we have all the correct fundamental details checked off on our list. First, use Avery Software. Open the file using Avery Design and Print, desktop or web app, as this is the primary application for the label template. Next, check version. Ensure the Avery software version is compatible with the version that created the file. Finally, export to PDF. Use the software's print export function to save the label as a PDF file for printing. When this ZDP file resists every program you own, it's likely a case of naming overlap. Because so many developers share the same extensions, your computer is essentially guessing the format. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Final recommendation, FileMagick. It's the universal file viewer that fixes the ZDP format every time. Visit FileMagick.com to download now. Show your support for detailed file guides by liking and subscribing before you finish up. Take care, and I will see you in the next video.